Did you faint on the floor? Right, come on, get up the desk. I'll give you a few seconds to get up the desk. Did you get up the desk? Right, okay, get up on your desk. Don't worry about the mess that you leave on the floor. You can tidy up in a minute. Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys have a fabulous weekend. We're still having a really nice heat wave here in the UK, so we can't complain because we're really enjoying it. Absolutely fabulous. It feels like we are abroad in Italy when it's really nice, hot and sunny all the time, so really nice. So today I gave you a little cheeky hint on Friday's video about one of these pages. So I want to share with you guys a kit that has gone out to my VIP members on a couple of weeks ago. So if you wish to join my VIP members subscription, I have designed 12 kits that are not available to everybody on the website, and this is why it's called VIP members. So if you join my subscription, you get 12 kits. So you get one kit every month straight to your email address, and I normally send in the beginning of the month. And I was waiting for all my ladies to have downloaded them first before do this video, because I didn't want to spoil the surprise for them. So every kit is different. Every month you got totally different kit. This month the girls have received this kit that is called Monocrome Madness. The reason why, and this idea was suggested by the lovely Pam, and when we were talking before I launched the website, she suggested it. Why don't you do something specific for just for a select group of people? And I was like, what do you mean? Because a lot of content creators do membership on YouTube or Patreon. I don't really feel, and this is totally my opinion, for me to charge people to do tutorials. That's my opinion. Please, it's just my opinion. I don't think it's right, because especially with tutorials, which they are project shares, I don't think it's right to charge people to watch tutorials when on YouTube there are plenty of tutorials for free. And to be fair, guys, nobody invented anything, so we all kind of take inspiration from one another. So for me to charge money for a video that can be watched for free, it didn't seem right. But I said, why, instead of offering paid tutorial, why don't we do a separate kit? So, and this idea, it was developed with Pam, so thank you, Pam. It's kind of like, this is why it's always good, and I always read every single comments that you guys put on YouTube, because you gave me so many inputs and so many feedback that I genuinely appreciate. So at the end of the day, I wouldn't be sat here talking to you guys if you were watching my video. So it works both ways. You get inspiration from me and I get feedback from you. So anyway, so this is kind of like the subscription idea. So you get 12 kits, one every month, straight to your email box. You get 20% off the entire website all the time for a full year. So you can purchase anything that you want. You get 20% off all the time until your subscription ends, which is 1 year and 1 day after you subscribe. So for instance, if you subscribe now in July, you will get this kit, but you won't get the June's kit, or the June's kit. So you will get this kit plus the August kit, September's kit, October's kit, etc. So you will get the current month subscription, and then you will get a bespoke offer every month personal to you as part of the VIP member. So this month was oh god, if I remember correctly, it's 3 for 2, I guess. Last month was an offer with a bundle, so buy one bundle and get one bundle for free. So again, you get 6 kits for the price of 3. So yeah, every VIP member's get his own offer. But the most important thing is, I want to say to you guys, thank you for all of you lovely ladies that are part of my VIP members, and I hope you are enjoying the kit so far. So this month the kit is called Monocrome Madness, and it's a 13-page kit, so it's a really big kit, and is it's a junk journal kit, and I'll show you why. Because you've got background papers like this one, of course it's monochrome, so it's all black and white, and you've got a selection of flowers. Don't know what you can see on camera, but there's a bit of handwriting, of course some butterflies. It wouldn't be me without it. There is another page with some receipt on the background, some flowers in there. This one with the clocks and some, again, some floral. You've got two separate florals background. I put it all together, and then I created these clocks and put them all together. This is one of my favorite pages because you got the bird. I'm going to this phase at the minute when there's a lots of birds. In fact, there are some birds in June's kit, which I haven't got it here, I'm afraid. But there will be birds in August kit, just to give a little hint, because I found so many beautiful birds illustrations, so I create a kit around it. So yeah, watch out for August kits, ladies. Subscribe to the VIP. So love that. Then we got a collage when I used my photos, some ephemera, and of course some flowers. I love this. I mean, that can be an amazing page, but also what a wonderful envelope would that be. So lots of ideas. This one is another background, which is a sketch of a portrait and some florals and ephemera background. And then I created this. When I was designing this, I thought I wanted to give you guys, for all of you that loves craft card making, some card based background, so you can just cut them. They are 5 3/4 by 4, just shy of 4. So you can make a 5 by 4 if you want to. You can just leave that, put maybe a layer into a black cardstock, put a sentiment, maybe like a black flowers on top. Oh, so many ideas. In fact, I might just do some cards with you guys today. In fact, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yeah. So that is another one. I mean, look at that. I love floral. I love black floral, black and white floral, but I also like very deep colors floral. There is a page with black and white postcards. Again, that's the base, and I thought you guys can add some more embellishment. A page with some pockets, some embellishment, and some thread things, so you can put your ribbons around it. Love that. Look at that. This is so hard to make because I got to measure everything, and I got to select the floral and create the background. So I know it looks easy, but I can trust you. Trust me, guys, is really not. Then we got a pocket slotter for your page, some more embellishments, another that slightly bigger postcard. This is part of the Imperial Indigo, but I've just put a black and white. Oh, love. This is probably one of my favorite pages of the kit. I created these black and white butterflies, and the good things about it, and I said to you several times, you can print this on one paper but also print it into two, so you can get these butterflies half of the size, so you can lay it all up, and then this gorgeous embellishment. And some of these are in August kit with some, okay, I can't say much. I'm obsessed with these doilies. And then you've got a page, which is the last page, with some tags. Again, one thing you can do, and nobody stops you doing it, you can color them as well. So you can make this black and white flower into a red flower. Okay, I won't color it with you because I don't want you guys to fall asleep. But yeah, you got, so I mean, that you can color it in gold, green, so many things. I got so many ideas. You could do everything that you want. So yeah, so this kit is gone out. It's gone out, so I'm not spoiling. And I know the ladies have that loaded it. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm going to make some cards using those ones. because it's such an easy way to do it. So I'm going to use that in some tea molds, paper dolls, and I also want to use up my tea molds overpriced ephemera. So I'm going to, it's nothing major, you will see guys. I'm just simply going to layer them all up and use some of these and create some cards, not just cards making, just some journaling cards as well. Okay, I'll see you in a very moment. Okay guys, let me show you what I made, and I gave you quite a lot of different ideas with different technique or different ways to put things together. So first two, and there's two lovely embellishments. So they can be super cute tags as well, gift tags, because you can put this on a very big tag, put the name of it, and put on the gift. How cute are those? I've used the Team Holtz Ephemera matte butterflies, and on this one as well. So you've got the pointy finger and the little ephemera, and then on both of them you got a 3D flying butterflies. So they are on paper, so they're very light, but again I left it like this so I can jiggle them and use them as I, you know, when I want them. Then I made a little envelope so you can create a little ephemera as well. Very simple. Got that's the front, and I've used one of the Team Holtz photo and the little butterfly. Cute. What you guys think? Then I had a little play, so I made two of these journaling cards for I just put them on a black cardstock. So you got her that is holding on this flower. This is one of the page, so I just footy cut it and put it on the background, and her in there. And I also got this lovely gentleman. He's holding flowers. He looks like a Charles. I think he's Charles and Dorothy. Charles and Dorothy. Yes, we named them. Then, right, I know 99.9% of you won't like this, but you can do black and white with colors as well. Popper colors. Oops. Right. Did you faint on the floor? Right, come on, get up the desk. I'll give you a few seconds to get up the desk. Did you get up the desk? Right, okay, get up on your desk. Don't worry about the mess that you leave on the floor. You can tidy up in a minute. So yes, I love black and white with pop colors. So what I did, simply layer the card into a black cardstock first, and then into a pink cardstock, and then put some pink butterflies. So the part of my pretty pink kit, I will put everything I have used, I will put it down below so you guys know. And this is from my Sassy Stamps kit. Oh, I love these stamps. Literally, they're so sassy and they're so colourful. So again, two different effects: a proper vintage black and white, and something quite modern with a black and pink. I love it. And you can put like a little happy birthday or thank you, and again I just put the butterflies as they are flying on the card, so you get this 3D effect. Then another popper color, I made this little pockets, ephemera pockets. So what I did, I used the same card mounting on, this is another piece of my Sassy Stamp digital kit. So you've got this page with all collage with all different stamps. How cute is that? So, or you can create your own collage, just glue them stamps together, but I've done the hard work for you. So simply glue them two cards together, and I lifted one at the end, and then I just put a bit of glue in there, so you get a little pocket. Nothing major. Then what I did, again, this is very me, black and gold, love it. So I put this handsome gentleman, he's holding one on the embellishment, a couple of Team Holtz ephemera onto a black cardstock, couple of eyelets, gold wax. Yeah, lots of gold wax. Don't be tight, just put loads. More is more. Let's have some fun. Just very simple. And last, which is I left it because it's my favorite, It's like a scrapbook page layout, if you want to say. So I just put on the craft cardstock, the black and white, of course, card, and I've used the 2 stamps to glue down this picture. This is part of my precious photos, black and white. And then on here there is this from my lovely labels. You get a selection on labels. Again, all the kits are listed down below, so you guys can go and have a look. So the beauty of this, so you got little that, so you can do like a series of these cards. You can do like a postcards as well. So many different ideas. So because I only glue down the 2 stamps on the corner, this can actually work as a little pocket as well. So you can put things in behind it or on top. So you can do anything that you like. In this picture was kind of like normal and not aged, because what you can do when you got a photo that is it's a beautiful photo, don't get me wrong, but it's quite clean, so you can fold it in a half, or you can even create like a fake corner. So fold it, really press it really hard, and do the same on the other side. So you tear the fiber of the paper and keep doing it, and then create like this little crease with your nails. Okay, and then with your sponge you go on top of it, so it looks like it's been damaged by the age of the time. Okay, so you create this faux, make it more vintagey. Okay, right guys, that is it for today. If you would like to get this kit, you can, if you subscribe to my VIP subscription membership in July. I will put the link down below, and then you get one kit every month straight to your email box. And don't worry, I won't spoil the kit, so I always do the video after I'm sure that everybody downloaded the kit. Okay, so yeah, it's a really little perk to my VIP subscribers to say thank you for your love and support. Right guys, I'm going to go. Have a wonderful week. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you like monochrome, give me a big thumbs up. If you like monochrome with a pop of color, I know most of you won't, but if you did, give me a big thumbs up as well. I'm going to go, guys. Honestly, have a wonderful week. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay safe and well.